We cooking with ILona.
Oh hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, we're gonna be making zucchini noodles with shrimp. So for those of you who don't know, cooking with ILona is just me cooking in my kitchen, not reading any ingredients, just whipping up some food my own way. It's both exciting and scary at the same time. It's exciting because I get to try new things that I've never tried before, and it's scary because you never know how it's gonna turn out. And that's what cooking with ILona is.
Here you have your zucchini and your zucchini shredder.
So first, you cut the end off, like so. Throw that part away. And you take this here cool utensil, you stick it in, like so. You put it in here and you shred away. But first, we need a plate. Look at that. How cool is that? I don't really like to use this because it makes it harder for me to actually twist it and turn it. So what I do is I just use my hand, put the zucchini in and sharpen it away. As you can see, this is what you get. Zucchini noodles. I'm gonna sharpen that. We're almost done. As you can see, all of this is from one zucchini, but I'm gonna sharpen another one because I'm that greedy. Don't need these pieces. Once you finish sharpening your zucchinis, this is what it looks like. This is what you'll have left. You can do something with these or you can just throw them away. I don't believe in wasting food, so I'm gonna figure out something to do with these. Okay, so now what we're gonna do next is go in the cabinet and see what kind of seasonings I have up in there. Whip them up, sprinkle it on the zucchini noodles, and see what I can get from that, okay? Come on, come with me, come on. Let's see what we have in store. These are not things that I would normally use on pasta, but this is what I'm working with, so we're gonna see what comes of it, okay? Okay, so we got our seasonings. I'm gonna go in the fridge and see what else I can pull out of there to go on these zucchini noodles. Okay, we have pan A and pan B. We can put these onto the stove to get started. But we're gonna use this bowl for the shrimp to put them in here, get them nicely rinsed off. And also peel off the tails because no one wants to eat pasta and have to peel off the tails. They just want to be able to dog it all in one shot. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to pour a couple of these in here. Like so. And then rinse them off and peel off the tails. Now that that's back in the freezer, we can get started. So what I'm doing right now is I'm rinsing off the shrimp and seasoning these bad boys up. Just making sure that they're nicely defrosted and ready to be peeled. Make sure you have a plastic bag handy to put the shrimp tails in, because you don't want them to just be in your sink because it's nasty and it smells. Okay, this might take a while. So now that the shrimp is all washed, I'm going to now put it in a bowl and season them up. All right, let's get these shrimps nice and seasoned. Let's see what we got going on here. We got a little Old Bay, lemon pepper, jiggle it around a little bit, sprinkle some more. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is smaller pot, the smaller pan for the shrimps. What we're gonna do is splash a little bit of butter on there right quick. We're gonna turn on the fire, make sure it's low, because I always burn stuff. So what you're gonna do right now is make sure the flame is nice and low, make sure that butter is nice and melted before you pour in the ingredients. Alright, baby? Because we're making a pasta, I'm gonna use this mixed onion vegetable thing. It's called pique de gallo, okay? Also, we're gonna use garlic. minced garlic. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a scoop of minced garlic, thrash it inside, and let that simmer for about 15 seconds. And then, after that, we're gonna take a scoop of this pico de gallo and splash it in there, but not yet, because we have to wait for that garlic to get a little brown. Okay. And we wait. Take your shrimp. Yum. Ooh, forgot one. Now, while your shrimp is cooking, what you really want to do is try to clean up your mess so that by the time all the food is done, you don't have much to worry about. That's what I'm going to do right now. And we're done. Now we can start preparing for the zucchini noodles. If you forgot, this is what they look like. I'm going to season the zucchini noodles with a little salt and pepper. Not too much salt. I'm going to use walnut oil. Okay, I'm back. So while I was gone, I did go ahead and put the zucchini inside of the pan. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like. Come on. Come on. Come on. This is what the zucchini looks like. It's on top of a light bed of walnut oil. I didn't want to put too much seasoning on this. I only put salt and pepper because the majority of the flavor and seasoning is going to come from the shrimp. So, bada bing, bada boom. That looks good. We're going to let that cook for I don't even know how long. But we're winging it like we always do. So, there you have it. Hit me, baby, one more time. My loneliness is killing me. It really does. I must confess, I still believe. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. Bye.
Baby, tell me, baby, 'cause loneliness is killing me. I'm lonely to know now what you have got. I'm loneliness is killing me. I must confess that I still believe. I'm like, give me some. Hit me, baby, one more time.